Welcome to our video about generative AI. In this video, we'll explore what generative AI is, how it works, and some of the amazing things it can do. First, let's define what generative AI is. Simply put, it's a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content, such as images, music, or even text, based on patterns it has learned from existing data. Generative AI is a rapidly growing field, with new breakthroughs and applications emerging all the time. So, let's dive in and explore this exciting technology. What is generative AI? To understand how generative AI works, let's start with the basics of machine learning. Machine learning is a type of AI that involves training algorithms on large datasets, so they can learn patterns and make predictions based on new data. Generative AI takes this a step further by using these learned patterns to create new content. For example, a generative AI algorithm trained on images of flowers could create new, unique images of flowers that don't exist in the real world. This is done through a process called generative modeling, which involves training a neural network to generate new data based on patterns it has learned from existing data. Applications of generative AI. Generative AI has a wide range of applications, from creating art and music to improving healthcare and scientific research. One example is in the field of fashion design, where generative AI can be used to create new clothing designs based on existing styles and trends. Another example is in the field of medicine, where generative AI can be used to create new drug compounds that are more effective and have fewer side effects than existing drugs. Generative AI can also be used to create realistic simulations for training purposes, such as flight simulators for pilots or surgical simulators for doctors. Challenges and limitations. While generative AI has many exciting applications, there are also challenges and limitations to consider. One challenge is the potential for bias in the data used to train the algorithms. If the data is biased, the generative AI may create biased content. Another challenge is the potential for misuse, such as creating fake news or deepfakes that can be used to spread misinformation. Additionally, generative AI is still limited in its ability to create truly original content. While it can generate new content based on existing patterns, it cannot create something entirely new without being trained on a massive amount of data. Future of generative AI. Despite these challenges, the future of generative AI is bright. As the technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more exciting applications and breakthroughs. One area of research is in the development of unsupervised learning algorithms, which can learn patterns from data without being explicitly told what to look for. This could lead to even more creative and original content being generated by generative AI. Another area of research is in the development of explainable AI, which would allow us to better understand how generative AI algorithms work and make decisions. This could help address concerns about bias and misuse. Conclusion. In conclusion, generative AI is an exciting and rapidly growing field with many applications and potential breakthroughs. While there are challenges and limitations to consider, the future of generative AI looks bright. We hope you enjoyed learning about this fascinating technology, and we encourage you to explore it further on your own. But before we end this video, we want to encourage you to try out generative AI for yourself. There are many tools and resources available online that can help you get started, even if you don't have a background in programming or machine learning. We also encourage you to share this video with others who may be interested in learning about generative AI. By spreading awareness and knowledge about this technology, we can help ensure that it is used for good and not misused for harmful purposes. Thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.